An accused bank bomber was back in court this morning. 28-year-old Matthew Aaron Llaneza was arrested Friday after he allegedly tried to blow up the Bank of America on Hegenberger Road in Oakland. ABC 7 News reporter Mark Matthews is in the newsroom now with the very latest on the FBI sting that brought this man to justice. Mark?
Dan, on Friday, when Matthew Llaneza was arrested, we had the case against him outlined in court documents. Well, tonight, civil rights attorneys, Llaneza's former defense attorney, and the Council on American Islamic Relations are all pushing back against the government's version. This was Matthew Aaron Llaneza 2 years ago as he was booked into Santa Clara County Jail. This past Friday, he was arrested again outside the Bank of America on Hegenberger Road in Oakland as he reportedly tried to blow up a car bomb that he had parked under the bank's overhang. Llaneza's attorney came to court today to ask for more time so that he could research whether or not his client needs a psychiatric evaluation. But this afternoon, Llaneza's former defense attorney showed us documents from a 2011 conviction for transporting an assault weapon, a case where a psychiatrist reported Llaneza had serious mental problems.
The judge ordered Mr. Llaneza to take his medications, to be seen regularly by a psychiatrist or a therapist.
In the most recent court documents, the undercover agent describes how he helped Llaneza carry out the plot to blow up the bank, providing buckets of fake explosives, an SUV to transport them, and after Llaneza bought a couple of cell phones and a 9-volt battery and an LED light, the agency assembled the parts into what they told Llaneza was a triggering device. By Skype from Philadelphia, the director of San Francisco's based Muslim advocates law firm says this case raises serious questions.
Is this a smart use of the FBI's resources to spend 6 months or a year convincing these impaired individuals to try and carry out these acts?
Zahra Ballou is director of the Bay Area's chapter of CAIR, the Council on American Islamic Relations.
How do we tell the community that the FBI is not surveilling all of them when they're finding these needle in a haystack mentally incompetent people and then targeting them in this way?
In court documents, the FBI's undercover agent says the plot was Llaneza's alone. And in similar cases, courts have upheld the government's position. Private investigator Rick Smith spent 26 years with the FBI.
If he didn't have ties to the Taliban and al-Qaeda, he is the copycat that wants to do something dramatic, symbolic. And that's in itself a dangerous situation.
Neither Llaneza's current defense attorney nor the prosecutor in this bank bombing case would talk with ABC 7. The lawyers will be back in court reporting to the judge on March the 8th. In the newsroom, Mark Matthews, ABC 7 News.